Hi there, my name's Sara Straub, and for the past year I've been working with U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. As part of that work, I got the very unique opportunity to set sail on the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service research vessel called the Tekla, headed to some of the Aleutian Islands. About a dozen scientists are on the ship, and my role is to help with some remote seabird camps, to do some monitoring, and search for invasive mammals. And basically, I'm out here to soak in as much knowledge as I can from these very experienced people that I'm with.